Hey guys, right, we're here in lovely Glasgow. Really hoped you enjoyed that last flight video. Sorry it wasn't any good. The location was well better than my flying, because someone better than me would have definitely been able to get more out of it. But I got back, broke the wizard, funnily enough, so used a bit of my time and birthday money to buy myself a new drone. I say buy, build from scratch, custom build. I'm going to do another video later on about sort of the specs that I'm doing, and you'll be able to see the specs in the description. So, but tonight we're going to go and fly a place called Bothwell Castle. Looks to be an interesting little spot. I think it could have a nice few wee things to play with. Weather's been absolutely cracking here in Scotland, so it's just been glorious weather for practicing. So I've been out of, I'm not going to lie, this isn't the maiden for the reverb frame. I've been flying it for a few weeks just to make sure I've ironed out all the kinks, and there's still some things that I want to try and change with it, but it should be it's a fairly sturdy frame, like, so I'm got high hopes for it in the future. But anyhow, so we'll do the build later. Let's just go and see what happens and have a little bit of fun. I've been practicing a lot. One, and this is my next top tip, get a simulator and a transmitter that you can plug into your PC, because honestly it takes that whole fear away of, if I crash I'm not going to be able to fly. And just taking that away and being able to fly for half an hour, you know, it totally increases your stick time. And it's not true to life, it's not, it's a simulator. But what it does do is get you used to do whatever you do with your thumbs happens to the drone. So yeah, it might not fall right, it might not handle correct, but it's still going to move how you've set it up to move, which is, well, whether you're mode 1 or 2, that's just totally your preference, but that's just how it goes. So what I'm going to do tonight is just have a bit of fun. I have been at a few groups, race days and stuff, local and further afield as well. So let's just go out and have a bit of fun and use up a couple of packs. Let's go. what happens when you clip a tree. Oh well. It's not the worst thing to happen today.